We're gonna do something different. Today I'm gonna let AI pick my makeup look. So I have this AI app right here. I'm going to ask it to create a makeup look for myself and let's see what it comes up with. Sorry if I sound like really weak when I talk. I just got over a sickness. I'm kind of sick still. Did anybody else get sick over Christmas? Because everybody I know got sick. Okay, so I'm gonna type in create a makeup look for me. It says, how about a celestial inspired makeup tutorial including cosmic colors and shimmers to create a stellar look? Okay. Oh shit. Okay, I said, sounds good. And they said, great. Start with a celestial color palette using blues, purples, silvers. Begin with a base eyeshadow and gradually build intensity. Add a touch of glitter for a starry effect. I said, I love it. What should I use for my skin? It said, for a celestial glow, go for a radiant and dewy foundation to mimic the luminosity of the stars. Use a highlighter on your cheekbones, nose, cupid's bow. Consider using a soft blush to enhance the warmth. Don't forget to set with a translucent powder to keep your makeup in place while maintaining a celestial radiance. Okay, let's get started. So I think I found a good palette that has purples and blues. This is the Fade Into Hue palette from ColourPop. So we're gonna play with this today. Okay, so far for eyeshadow, I have a light blue in the inner corner and then I blended that into a deeper blue and then into purple. So I kind of have an ombre crease. And then I'm going to put silver all over the eyelid. I'm going to take a little bit of concealer and I'm going to cut my crease and clean that up a little bit more before I add the silver. Okay, so for the silver on the lid, I'm going to use a full silver pigment, and this is from Dua Beauty. What the fuck is Dua Beauty? This is from Fenty Beauty, and this is Kilowatt Highlighter, and this is a silver one. OMG, look at that. So I'm going to put that on the inner and outer part of my eyelid, and then in the middle, I'm going to use a silver that does not have a base. Before I add those silver pigments, I'm going to put a little bit of the glitter glue down just to create a tacky base so that they really stick and they really shine. I've actually never used this Kilowatt highlighter. Yes, give it to me, Fenty. So I'm putting that in the inner corner, and now I'm just placing it on the outer corner. All right, now I'm using a silver that has no base color, so it's only going to show when it hits the light. And I'm going to use this from Mario. I'm just going to take my finger and tap that right into the center of my lid. So for my face, AI said, for a celestial glow, go for a radiant and dewy foundation to mimic the luminosity of the stars. So let's go ahead and grab a foundation. So I found the perfect foundation. This is the Luminous Foundation from Anastasia. So this is going to give me a very nice glow. So let's pop this on. Okay, so foundation is completed. Let's move on to concealer. Just to stick with the Anastasia theme, I'm gonna use the Anastasia concealer. This is called the Magic Touch Concealer. To bronze up, I'm going to use the NARS Laguna bronzer. Add a little bit of color back into my face. So AI says to use a soft blush to enhance the warmth. So I'm going to go ahead with the Rare Beauty liquid blush. So I'm just putting that on the back of my hand just so I can get a better application. And I'm just going to stamp on. It says use a highlighter on your cheekbones, nose bridge, and cupid's bow for added luminosity. Okay, to add some glow, I'm going to use the Rare Beauty highlighter. This is in shade Enlighten, and I have actually never used this shade before. It's very white. Okay, let's see the highlighter. Ooh, oh girl, yes. That's beautiful. And this has no base color, so that's why I can get away with this whitish highlighter. That is definitely a celestial glow. Y'all will be able to see that from outer space. So now we're back to the eyes, and I'm doing the under eye. I created this gap right here in my inner corner just to kind of create a little bit of a fun effect. So I put a light blue here, and then I'm just going to copy and paste the top up here, the same down here. So here is what AI had in mind. This is everything completed. And I think I am fucking shook. Like, the fact that we can do that and get these ideas and the AI can just tell you so detailed a makeup look and how to do it. And your face and your lips and your eyes and the colors. Like, y'all, that's crazy. If you haven't done this, I highly recommend it. It's pretty fun. It's unique. You can definitely get something different. And I think this just turned out so bomb. I can't wait to see what else AI has for me.